The International Higher Education Conference 2026 has been an absolutely fantastic experience. It's my first time here, and I'm privileged to have been invited as a speaker. I've had a wonderful time connecting with other speakers, the other attendees, and having very valuable conversations. And I hope that this conference continues. The learnings and the report produced by the conference, I think, is a really important piece of work, and I'm looking forward to seeing that being built on. As far as transnational education is concerned, transnational education has been around in different ways for a long time, even in India. However, the recent developments driven by the NEP 2020 and in particular branch campuses, which is what I'm concerned with, are a great opportunity for change and transformation of the ecosystem. Branch campuses on their own are a wonderful and progressive opportunity. However, the direct impacts will be relatively small in terms of number of students, but we hope that the system transformation is what will be a valued outcome from these changes. And a message to Symbiosis students, this is an absolutely fantastic institution. It's a great privilege to have gotten to know it better, its leadership, your campus, and the kind of events that have been brought together, such as this one. And I think that, um, you have the world brought to you on this beautiful campus. Please take advantage of all the opportunities that it brings you. And the spirit of Vasudeva Kutumbakam is something that you must carry with you as you go forward after your programs. All the best.